Hello, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial we're going to learn how to create this postcard that you see on the screen to look like it's in perspective. In other words, it's going to be lifted off the page like you have here, and then you have it like a shadow underneath it. And then it looks like it's laying flat basically on the canvas or on a sheet of paper. So let's see how we could do this. So I already created a new document. If you have a copy of a postcard, then what you do is you drag it and drop it onto your canvas. And now you want to resize it. Since it's already in transformation mode, use your Shift Alt key on a PC and grab the bottom corner or whatever corner that you want. Make it whatever size that you want. And then what you want to do is you want to rotate it. And then what you want to do is you want to use the control key, hold down the control key, and start turning it downwards. Let's bring this up a little bit. You can adjust it however that you want by using the control key. Let's bring this down just a little bit more. Rotate it just a little bit more. Okay, now we can press the Enter key to accept the changes. And now what we want to do is we want to be able to create a shadow underneath this. So what you do is, first of all, if it isn't already your image, create it. Create this layer as a smart object, and you could do that by right-clicking or double-clicking on a layer and convert to smart object. Anyways, what we want to do is create another layer here so we can make a shadow out of it. So what you want to do is you want to control click on the thumbnail of this layer of the postcard image layer. It creates a selection for you. And now what you want to do is you want to create a new layer with that selection. So come up to Layer, New, Layer, and then name it Shadow. Then press OK. Now it automatically highlights that new layer. You want to keep the selection going, and now you want to create you want to fill this selection with black. So my foreground is already set to black, so all I'm doing is hitting Alt backspace key to do that. And now what you want to do is that you want to deselect it, Control D to deselect it. You want to move this layer underneath the postcard layer. And now what you want to do is you want to use the Move tool and move your top layer up just a bit so you can see that black layer underneath it. Now select the shadow layer and turn down the opacity to whatever effect that you want. So what I'm doing is I'm using the shortcut key, the number 6 for 60%. So as you can see, it turns down the opacity. It brought this down to 60%. And now what you want to do is you want to select the top layer and then press Control T. And then you want to enter, go up to the options bar and select switch between transform and warp modes. So do that. Now all you want to do is we want to create like a page curl effect, and we do that by grabbing these four corners and clicking and dragging upwards just like that. Now you press enter to accept those changes. So that's how you could create. You could create a perspective out of a postcard or another image of a portrait. However you want to use this. So I'm sure you could be creative with this new skill set that you just learned today. So remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and click on the bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video ready. And also, please like, share, and comment. It helps out the community for people to interact with these videos so that they can learn. And if you have new ideas for a tutorial, just comment below. I appreciate you stopping by today. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.